Hello everybody, myself Krishna Chaitanya and I'm really excited to share you my new project implementation with you, and let's deep dive into that. Before that, let us introduce our teammates. Myself Krishna Chaitanya and my teammates Chaarvi along with Gowthami, and a valuable contributor of our project is Shell Gender. So let's go. So this is app.py, which is like an hard to work project which deals with the backend Flask root connectors, and it has the connection API routes to Google Cloud's Firebase. And yeah, it also has an fine-tuned uh, GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K LLM model, and it has heuristic name entity recognition, and it has the RAG concepts also, which we will show the demo. And this is the Flask route for our feature called escape cavity, and let's go to the implementation part. So this is our login interface. For time's sake, let's have a new login, name new login at the rate gmail.com, and give a password to it. Yay, it has created. Once let us check in the cloud database. Yeah, the new login has been created and an unique user ID has been allocated. So here is our like welcome pop-up message, which is kind of cool, right? And we will be exploring all these features, I mean, in very short time. And yeah, so we had an login, and this is logout option, and let's see if it is working for multi users. Yep, it is working. See the difference between the pop-up message. Since I am already an existing user, it is like having the another pop-up message. Okay, let's click got it, and let's see what are the changes there in app.py. Oh, here the get session, which identifies the session root. It has saved a user with this user ID, and while we are switching it for another user ID, it immediately gave us, which makes it scalable for multi-users, which is really good for a chatbot which we will be deploying in the online. So let's start. Hi, see, it remembers my name. So yeah, and let's test it. I'm feeling depressed and I want to quit studies. Let's see how it will reply. So I'm sorry to hear that you are feeling depressed, Krishna. It's clear. It's important to address the feelings, and it asks a follow-up questions in very friendly way, just like we're talking to a therapist. So let's explain it more. I was uh, having a lot of headache due to upcoming sem. See, it is also giving us some headache tips, which is kind of nice. It's like a chatbot along with the doctor, right? Yeah, based upon your headache and stress, it gave some list of things which we can do, and these are all which we can do it at home, and we are not going to like go into like the prescription stuff, because therapists will deal with like how to solve it, and let's ask it whether it will give the things. Can you suggest me medicine? See, it has been fine-tuned. This is the testimony, like whether we have fine-tuned it right or not, and it is working dynamically. Let's go and see how each of that will work. So every message has been broke down into three things. One as intent, one is the context, and another one is the emotion, which we will use to, reply to the user, in follow-up questions. So for fun, okay, your tips work. Let's see whether the Gen Z language works or not. How it will reply. I'm glad to, I'm glad to hear that our tips remain relevant. Remember, it's important to take care of yourself. Nice. So this is the core feature, and let's see how the backend, saved in the database. So once it entered to the Flask backend, it is, it was redirected to the Firebase. The messages would be redirected to the clouds. So we will discuss about these two slots later. First, let's go and search our, what is a, we need to search based upon our user ID. So the user ID for the chart is OVA. Here it is, and here we are storing all those information, like let's see for the particular message. Okay, your tips worked. The emotion is dynamically stated, it is classified, satisfied, sorry, and the intent is sharing the progress. Let's see for the previous message, and here see, I am having a lot of headache, and here the emotion is anxious. Spot on. So let's go to the other exciting features. Apart from this, see what kind of a friend, like, since I have already said you, we built a friendly bot. Really a friendly bot. Let's see. Everybody likes to play games with a friend. So we had some fun games to play, like snake, ouch, and breathing exercises when we are anxious, and some random jokes. Let's go back. This is the feel good list where the Dr.Druggs engine will suggest us like some particular quotes, songs for ourselves. So based upon things, since I am little low, it is saying you're capable of doing amazing things. Nice. And see, don't stop believing the journey. See, I have told you before, like we have, like I don't want to study, I'm quitting the study. So see the suggestion, and take care of yourself in a beach state. So yeah, and we can add our novels, favorite novels, etc, etc, and this is a cool stuff. Let's go. So we had real-time booking system of therapists, so we can book an appointment with our name. So let's say our name is Krishna. I want Arjun Sharma in person. 30th May works fine for me. So let's book this thing on 2 p.m. So the slot has been booked. View appointments. See, these are the slots which I have previously booked. Arjun Sharma, M. Krishna at 2 p.m. So book another appointment. Chaarvi and Chaudary in person, same 30, 2 p.m. So I guess the appointment has been booked. Yes, Chaarvi and Chaudary. So let's see whether it is like defined in global or not. Within another login. Uh, this is another login. Logged in. Got it. Let's try to book the same person. Let's see. In person. See here. See here. It is red. Means the slots were already booked for that particular person at that particular moment. So let's look at the appointments. Arjun Sharma, Chaarvi Renuka Chaudhary, booked by the user, which is anonymous. See here. So it is working dynamically, and yeah, it is showing the different appointments. Let's go to the another cool feature, my personal favorite. So if you are alone and if you want to like explore the places near Chennai, currently we have restricted this place to like the fun places near Chennai. In future we will increase the places. So let's ask a suggestion. Oh, Phoenix. Dr.Druggs recommends Phoenix Market City Mall. Let's see. Nice, it is giving me the route. Currently, I'm in my hometown and it is giving me exact route, the optimal route where I can reach. Nice. And we can manually even select this thing. Okay, let's go to another feature. This is Dear Diary. So suppose if I want to add my like previous things today, it is my birthday. On birthday I am recording a video to upload. Let's see, I guess this picture will work fine, and we can also add some emojis here. Let's put the save entry. Nice, it is coming. Let's see whether it is saved in the Firebase or not. So let's see which user I'm currently in. It is an AMG. Here are the personal appointments, and here it is the content, date and images. And image is like by default encrypted in BDF6 and as well as AZ256. So let's see whether for final thing, let's go to my previous version. Let's check if it is working quickly. Let's see my services. Service sets my services. Here it is completely different based upon my close pop-up and the diary. I can see here this is completely new. and just log out. Let's log into another one. Ta-da, here it is. Thank you guys. It's been nice talking and sharing my project with you. I would love to improve any suggestions, or like if you have any doubts you can ping me in comment section. Bye bye.